When you consider videoing through a Lightboard, you have to remember that there are two sides of this board. One is the camera side, and the other is the presenter side. Hi, my name is Rheid Schloss, and I work for Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. And today we're going to share with you the best practices we've learned of using a Lightboard. What we have found to be the best process for cleaning a whiteboard is actually two steps. First, spraying your whiteboard with just water. In this case, I've got a little bit of warm water and a sprayer. Paper towels or some type of cleaning towel to take the first layer off. And you'll notice that as I'm doing this, it's leaving some of those trace elements there. You'll also notice that it's leaving some streaking from the water and the paint mixture on it. The next step is actually taking a microcloth, going through and cleaning it to the point that you've got all of the little pieces of lint and paint dust and everything else off of it. So you're ready to shoot your next section. A little bit of a tip: don't use any type of ammonia window cleaner or any type of whiteboard cleaner.